Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own toy swords for Barbie dolls and action figures. Before you start, go to shelleywood.com to download the pattern for the sheath and the bell guard. Buy some woodsies and gray paint. You can also use toothpicks, but they are shorter. Paint the woodsies and wait for the paint to dry. I used a kind of silvery paint for this, just an acrylic paint. Cut the bell guards from foam. Poke a hole in the bell guard and slide it onto your blade. Paint the pommel. Wrap the grip with embroidery, floss, and glue. For the belt and sheath pattern, as well as the costume that you see here, please visit shelleywood.com. The following scenes come from my stop-motion video of Romeo and Juliet with dolls, which you can find on my YouTube channel, Shelley Wood 1.